Welcome to Brilliant Bots. Passionate about AI or aiming to advance your career? You're in the right place. Today we explore 9 essential AI skills to thrive in this fast-changing field. AI is transforming industries, creating jobs, and changing our lives. Let's get started and equip you with the skills to lead the AI revolution. Let's dive into programming. Knowing programming languages is crucial. Python is the top choice for AI. It's simple, has many libraries, and a strong community. Start learning Python now. Get familiar with its syntax, data manipulation, and libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These tools make building AI models easier. Python isn't the only option. R is great for statistics and data visualization. R excels in data manipulation and graphics. Java, C++, and JavaScript are also important for AI. Expanding your programming skills helps you tackle different AI projects. Let's dive into machine learning. Machine learning helps systems learn from data and get better over time. Understand algorithms, data pre-processing, and model evaluation. Learn about supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, clustering, and reinforcement learning. Gain practical experience by working on projects, joining Kaggle competitions, and following the latest research. These activities will help you apply your knowledge to real-world problems and improve your problem-solving skills. Next up, deep learning is a hot topic in AI. It uses neural networks with many layers to learn from huge data sets. To master deep learning, understand neural network structures, backpropagation, and gradient descent. Try convolutional neural networks, CNNs for images, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for text and time series. Explore generative adversarial networks, GANs, which create realistic data like images and music. Deep learning has many uses, including self-driving cars and language translation. It's a key skill in AI. Data science is essential. AI needs data. Collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data is key. Use tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib to handle and visualize data. Learn statistical concepts, hypothesis testing, and data cleaning. High-quality data is crucial for AI models. Understand data storage and retrieval with SQL and NoSQL databases. Know big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark for large-scale data processing. Let's dive into natural language processing, or NLP. NLP helps machines understand and generate human language. Text data is growing fast, making NLP skills essential. Learn about tokenization, sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and models like BERT and GPT. NLP is changing industries like customer service and healthcare, creating many opportunities. Explore chatbots, machine translation, and automated summarization. Use pre-trained models and fine-tune them for specific tasks to create advanced NLP solutions. Enjoying the video? Subscribe to Brilliant Bots. Stay updated with our latest AI content and join our community. Your support helps us create high-quality content and keep you informed about the latest AI trends and technologies. Computer vision is a key area in AI. It helps machines see and understand the visual world. Learn image processing, feature extraction, and object detection. Use OpenCV for tasks. Try projects in facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and augmented reality. Explore semantic segmentation, 3D vision, and OCR. Computer vision is used in healthcare, automotive, and security. It's a valuable skill. Ethics in AI is crucial as AI systems become part of our daily lives. Understand the ethical issues like bias, fairness, transparency, and accountability. Follow guidelines for ethical AI. Build systems that are effective, responsible, and trustworthy. Learn about the impact of AI decisions. Create algorithms that respect privacy and human rights. Engage with philosophy, sociology, and law for a well-rounded approach to ethical AI. Next is reinforcement learning. This teaches agents to make decisions by rewarding good actions and penalizing bad ones. It's used in breakthroughs like AlphaGo. Start with Markov decision processes, value functions, and Q-learning. It solves problems in robotics, game development, and more. Look into deep reinforcement learning, multi-agent systems, and transfer learning. Applications include autonomous navigation, industrial automation, and personalized recommendations. Now let's talk about AI infrastructure and deployment. Building a model is one step, deploying it is another. Explore cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure for deploying AI models. Learn about Docker for containerization, Kubernetes for orchestration, and CI/CD pipelines. Efficient deployment makes AI solutions scalable, reliable, and accessible. Get familiar with monitoring and maintenance to keep models performing well. Learn about MLOps, combining machine learning with DevOps to streamline deployment and management. Let's wrap up. Mastering these 9 AI skills puts you ahead in the AI game. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, investing time in these skills is worth it. AI offers many opportunities, and with the right skills, you can shape the future. Keep learning and adapting to stay competitive and ready for new challenges. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Brilliant Bots for more AI insights and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.